Hi, I'm Rob with Precision Zone, and I'm going to be going over a quick static check of this CIMR-G3 series of inverters. So the first thing that we always do before we do any static checks is verify that the DC bus has been discharged. So we'll go ahead and put our multimeters on the DC function and go between the positive and negative side of the DC bus. And we're not showing anything, so we can go ahead and proceed. Now, if you were seeing anything more than 1 volt, I would stop and wait for the inverter to discharge down below that number. So let's go ahead and put our digital multimeter to the Diode Check function. And we're gonna place the negative side of the digital multimeter on the positive side of the DC bus, and we'll go between L1, L2, L3, and 0.48 volts is just fine. So we'll switch our leads and take the negative lead and put it on the positive side of the DC bus, and we'll go between L1, L2, L3. Again, 0.48, 0.49, that's important. The most important thing is that they're balanced throughout the phase. Now let's go ahead and check the outputs using the same method. Negative multimeter, positive side of DC bus, 0.49, 0.44, 0.43. Now that is a little variant, so this drive may have a problem, but let's go ahead and check the reverse. So 0.42, that's okay as well. Now the next thing that we can do is a resistance check and see if any of the phases have went to ground. So we're gonna go ahead and put our digital multimeter to the resistance function, and then we'll find a good ground and we'll check all the inputs, and then we'll check all the outputs and make sure that none of them have gone to ground, and we'll just verify that we have a good ground, and we do. The one side of the outputs aren't completely balanced, so that could be a cause for a problem, and then we would go ahead and ask you to send the inverter in for a full free evaluation. Well, if you have any questions on how to do this, you can always find us at PrecisionZone.com. Thanks for watching.